Talaria has arrived. Let's go. Are you excited? It's Daddy's new bike. Yeah. Yeah. You gonna show me you ride your bike later?
Yeah.
Tomorrow?
I will do a wheelie.
You'll do a wheelie?
Yeah.
Hey, why are you trying to do wheelies?
Because I like wheelies.
Did Daddy tell you that?
Yeah.
No, I didn't. So we did a little quick inspection because we had that hole in the box there, but it was somewhere around right here. So I didn't see no damage. Everything looks good. Bike looks clean. We got all the tie wraps and the straps removed. I have to get an Allen wrench to take the axle out, to get this block out. And then we'll see if we can get the bike on the stand. All right, we gotta get this axle off. All right, so this axle bolt was an 8mm. This one looks like, these look like a 4. Yep. And it's 11mm. And there we go. And no, it's not a, damn, like butter. Oh. Bam. Alright, first step is I'm gonna put these top bars on. I'm gonna run these mica bars. I've been wanting mica, whatever. I'm gonna run these mics right here, and so we can remove this throttle, everything, swap it out. Damn. Okay, so before getting the wheel off, there was this little plastic clip in between the brakes. So you have to pull that out before you can get that disc to go inside the rotor to go in there. Yeah, so I wasn't recording, but I got the wheels on without the wheel spacers. So damn, gotta do all that over. Damn. All right, give this guy a little tap. About there. How much torque to put on these things? All right. Slides together. Really wasn't that bad. Really don't have to do too much. You gotta put on your foot pegs. That's a pain, and you gotta watch out because these bolts, it's kind of hard to get a wrench there, so it's super easy to strip those out. Watch out when you're trying to tighten those bolts for your foot pegs. You gotta put your front wheel on. Wasn't bad at all. This, I feel like, should be right here. I don't know. Oh, maybe that's what these are for? Yes.
Nope.
They don't give you nothing. As far as I know, I didn't get any kind of manual or any kind of installation instructions or whatever, so. So you check your axle bolts, check your tire pressure, your spokes, open gearbox vent tube before riding. I'm glad I saw that shit. Where's the gearbox vent tube? So I'm gonna find that tube. I might pull up a video and show y'all that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Apparently I didn't scan that code for the instruction manuals, but yeah, make sure you line up those pins. They've got real tiny pins in that. That's one thing I do not like about these sensors, and that's part of the problem. This is part of the problem with these sensors. Look at those pins. It probably didn't focus, but those pins are fucking tiny. Like, come on, stop being cheap. I'm not plugging these brake sensors in. I heard too many bad things about them. I may check them out later. I'll leave the back plugged in for now though. See if my real brake works, but yeah. All right, first ride on the Talaria. Oh, suspension is soft. Turn that back off, plug that guy back in. And there we go. Error 37, what the fuck? I like that error 37 shit. I think I got the error fixed. All the sensors weren't connected. Hit that start button. Oh, we in sport. Can I get miles an hour? Brakes are ass. Oh, what the fuck was that? Yo, what the fuck? Oh shit, I left my phone right there. I'm tripping. I don't know, gang, it feels weird. Oh, it's a delay. What the fuck is that delay? What the fuck? Hold on, no. The wheel we lift up. Definitely gotta cut that brown wire. And this delay in the throttle, I am not fucking with that shit. It's a crazy delay, and if it ain't because of the mold, man, I don't think I can rock with that. What the fuck is that? Y'all swear if this don't do something about that delay in the throttle, this guy's going on Marketplace tomorrow. I am not playing. It's not really long enough to splice back if it's not the right wire, but fuck it. There we go. All right, let's try this again. Don't let me down, Talaria, please. Oh yeah, oh shit. Woo, let's go. Oh, that feels good, that feels good. Yo, this bike is fast as hell, but I gotta figure out this, throttle delay issue. I think it's the brake. Probably cut off. All right, so I disconnected this brake sensor over here. I still got the other one I forgot to disconnect, but we'll see it. I think the delay's gone. I think, oh no, it's not. Ain't back. Right there. Can I get instant power? Please. Oh, yes, let's go. Yeah. This thing will loop your ass out. Keep playing with the Talaria.